Friends, I, being belonging to a legal profession, just wanted to share my views on a very common problem of the Indian society. Since in Indian society, most of the senior citizen, old aged people are facing the question in their mind about the execution of will, about their properties like movable and immovable assets, which includes their properties, bank accounts, savings, FDRs, shares, etc. etc. But before I share my views on the issue regarding how the will can be executed and what are the basic requirements for a person who wants to execute the will, I just want to apprise all the person that there is a confusion in the mind of the Indian people, that some people are having question in their mind that whether the will is required to be executed on a stamp paper or not, whether it requires compulsory registration or not, whether the will should be attested by the notary public or not. Friends, I'm just sharing my views on all these aspects. First of all, I want to tell you, as far as the execution of will is concerned, the basic requirement for the purpose of execution of will as per the Hindu law and as per the provisions of Indian Evidence Act, there is no requirement that will should be executed on a stamp paper. A will can be written on a plain paper. It does not require any stamp paper. It can be executed on a plain paper. The basic requirement for the purpose of execution of a will is that a person who is executing the will, he should have sound disposing mind. He should have full control over his thoughts, over his views. He should be capable to understand about his acts and deeds. Means he should be mentally stable, he should have a sound disposing mind, he should be completely aware about the acts and deeds which he is doing. Second basic requirement for the execution of the will is that a will which can be written on a plain paper by a person who is having sound disposing mind, after the will is written and signed by the person who wants to execute the will, it is a mandatory requirement that will should be signed by two attesting witnesses in the presence of a person who has executed the will. So, if we summarize the thing, then the basic legal requirement as per the provisions of Hindu Succession Act and as per the provisions of Indian Evidence Act is that a person who is executing the will, he can write his will at any age. But the basic requirement is that he should have a sound disposing mind. He should be fully aware about his acts, deeds, and consequences of his acts. Second requirement is that will should be signed by at least two attesting witnesses. Both the attesting witnesses should sign the will in the presence of a testator. Testator means a person who has executed the will. Then after the will is signed by a person who has written his will and two attesting witnesses who should sign simultaneously in presence of each other. Friends, there is no legal requirement either under Hindu Succession Act or under the provisions of Indian Evidence Act that will can be registered or the registration of will is compulsory. As per the provisions of Registration Act, the registration of the will is optional. If a person wants to get the will registered, it is his sweet will. There is no legal embargo, there is no legal requirement that the will requires compulsory registration. A unregistered will is having the same legal sanctity, is having the same legal value which a registered will is having. Simply, will does not require that it should be attested by a notary public or it should be written on a stamp paper, as I have already told you. Now, after the will is written, suppose unfortunately the person who has written his will, he expires, then how the will be executed? That is a very common question in the mind of a people, specifically having the old age people in our Indian society. In that aspect, I just want to apprise that a person who is executing or he who is writing his will, he can appoint an executor in his will. Executor can be a person whom the testator means who the person who has written a will is having full faith, confidence. He can appoint that person as an executor who will execute the will after the death of a testator. Then there is another legal aspect, whether the will who is written by a testator and testator expires after writing the will, whether it requires to obtain any probate order from the court of law or not. In that aspect, I just want to apprise you, in Delhi under law, probate of will is not mandatory. Probate of will is not compulsory. But suppose a person who is having, I'm just giving an example, a person is having two sons and two daughters, and he executes the will in favor of one son and one daughter, and excludes one son and one daughter from the will. Suppose for a sake of argument, suppose for a sake of example, a person expires and the person who is excluded from the will, one son and one daughter, who are not beneficiary in the will, they challenge the will, they don't accept the will, they create doubt, they create question about the validity of the will, then the probate of the will is compulsory. So, my dear friends, during the phase when our country is running COVID-19 problem, I was also at home since the courts are not functioning. I just thought to share my views on the legal aspects pertaining to execution of the will, legal requirement for the purpose of execution of the will, and legal requirement pertaining to obtaining any probate order from the will or not. I hope that my thought pertaining to the legality, validity of execution of the will, its requirement, and to obtain probate order is the mandatory requirement or not, I think my thoughts will help all the senior citizens of the Indian society as well as other persons who are having any doubt in their mind pertaining to execution of the will. Thank you very much.